Johnny Manziel made some great plays in college football.
Manziel scrambling, trying to get to the end zone. He will do.
However, if a mutation were to occur, he might play like this.
It's going to be intercepted. Stepping up, in trouble, gets away, slings it end zone in traffic, intercepted by Jones.
Before a mutation can occur, though, first, a DNA is transcribed, with the first step, initiation. In this step, RNA polymerase copies an antisense strand or template strand of DNA to create RNA. Next comes elongation, which essentially makes the RNA strand longer. During elongation, this is where most of the work occurs to create the RNA strand. RNA polymerase comes across a DNA sequence called a terminator and stops the transcription process. Then, once DNA is transcribed and RNA is ready to go, it goes through a couple of editing steps. First, the introns, which do not code for anything, are taken out. Then the exons, which actually code for a protein, are spliced together. Finally, a cap sequence and a tail sequence are added, and the RNA is ready to move on to the next step of becoming a protein. Now, RNA goes through a process called translation. This is when the ribosome reads the mRNA and makes a protein. The start codon, or AUG, signals the beginning of the protein, which starts the process of translation. The codons on the mRNA match with the anticodon on the tRNA. The P site is where this growing protein chain occurs. Then a peptide bond forms between the amino acids on the tRNA, also known as the A site. This is where the amino acids are held. Translation will continue until a stop codon is reached. Now that you have some background info, let's go back to Johnny Manziel. If a mutation were to occur, then he may play like the second video you saw. There are 5 different types of mutations: deletion, duplication, inversion, insertion, and translocation. Now let's take a look at the mRNA sequence you see here. Let's say, for example, a mutation were to occur like insertion, and we place a U in between the 4th and 5th codon. This would change the entire way the sequence is read, causing a mutation. This may cause Johnny Manziel to play like the second video, or the first. Sometimes mutations will be good or bad. Sometimes you may not even know that something has occurred.